Hey Facebook, how are you all? I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great week so far. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum, and I also have a global home business. I love inspiring people to actually take action by stepping forward into their growth. And I'm now into day 2 of a 21 video series that I'm dishing out to you called Mindset, Marketing and Momentum Equals More Money. And tonight I want to talk to you about I'm launching it, first time global launch, launching it right here with you, called my PAT system. This system is what's helped me grow every single day, and I want to share it with you tonight in the hope that you are able to then duplicate this into your life, into your teams, to your friends, whoever, so that way they can also experience the benefits. So as you're hopping on, say hello. Hey Klaus, how are you? Thank you for hopping on. Feel free to share this live if you think it's going to add value, because I'm all about leveling up. Mitsuko, how are you? Good to see you. And so I'm all about leveling up the network marketing profession. I'm also about leveling up humans in general. And I come from, I serve with love, from the heart. And so I hope you get some value. So guys, why is this important to me? Because it's part of my vision to actually inspire the world, leave an impact as well, make a massive impact on people without any expectations. But also I want to level up the profession. Veronique, thank you for hopping on. And I want to level up the profession of network marketing. It is part of my vision to really help people to actually get better and do better on social media, and to be able to connect better with people, to be able to help more people, because I absolutely love this profession and it's done amazing things for my family and my own life. And so I want to also do that for everybody else. So guys, as I said, don't be a stranger. Drop me a live if you're watching live or a replay, and I hope you get some value. So what is personal development? So personal development is the act of actually improving oneself every single day. And I do this every single day. Normally what I do is I wake up, Cherie, how are you? Thank you so much for hopping on. I know it's a little bit late, but I'm here. And so I do this every single day. Every morning I wake up and I meditate. I also do visualizations every single day. And I also do personal development every day. So I look at improving myself every single day. And what I do is I do mindset personal development and I do skill set personal development. So it's actually a 2-step thing. My skill set personal development is with my mentor, Ray Higdon. I'm part of Rank Makers, right? And I've been part of Rank Makers. Heather, how are you? Good to see you. Thanks for hopping on. I've been part of Rank Makers for over 2 years now. I'm actually a Rank Maker ambassador, and I listen to Ray every single day. I follow his action step and I apply it every single day. So that's my skill set personal development. Now, when I do my mindset personal development, I can tap into a whole load of things. At the moment, at night, I've been reading the book, The Big Leap, right? I've been reading 5 pages of that before I go to sleep every single night. But I'm in a mentorship with Dean Graziosi, who is an 8-figure mentor and business coach. And I tap into his homework every single day and do a little bit here and there, right? So that is personal development, is the ability to be able to improve oneself every single day. So what I do, and this is kind of like an adaptation of stuff that I've learned along the way and what's worked for me every single day, and I want to share it with you, is called the PAT system. This is my own system that I've developed, right? And I'm sure that everyone else does it, but I've just called it this. I've just called it my PAT system, the Elsa Morgan PAT system, right? So first step is to find some personal development that you want to tap into. And that could be either like a book. Like I said, I read 5 to 10 pages before I go to bed every single night, right? You could listen to an audio book. You can listen to half an hour of an audio book, for example. Or you could watch something on YouTube or some training. Like I can tap into some training, a lot of masterminds that I've enlisted, especially now that we're on lockdown. Like I'm in a 6-week lockdown right now in the state of Victoria in Australia. So there is so much you can do in terms of personal development. So you just pick one. So number one is pick your personal development. What is it that you're going to tap into, right? And I just want to say, don't just do personal development for personal development's sake. Like, actually pick something out that you really want to work on. Like, a lot of people say to me, yes, I know I overthink. Well, tap into something that's actually going to help you with that. Like, I would actually physically Google, what personal development is it? Overthink, or go onto Amazon or Booktopia and Google, overthinking strategies, and look at all the books that come up, right? Buy the books, or talk to your coaches or your uplines, right? Mentors. What do they recommend for overthinking? And tap into that, right? So number one, pick your personal development. Number two, you pick out 3 aha moments. So that's the A, aha moments. What are your aha moments that you get when you're reading your personal development or you're listening to something? Because typically there will be something that happens to me. I'll be reading and I go, oh my goodness, this is so profound. And I'll literally write it down. I've got a little pink leather book. That's my PD book, my personal development book. And I write little notes. And there's a reason why I do that. And I'll talk to you about it in a minute, right? So pick your aha moments. Now, I typically pick 3 aha moments out of everything that I either read or I listen or I watch, right? So that's the A. This is something that has really struck you, and you typically know. It's like really, you've had a realization, like you've had a breakthrough, you've had a moment where you go, wow, I never thought about it that way. That's an aha moment, right? So pick your aha moments. I pick 3 every single time, right? Because I want to learn. Every single time that you're doing personal development, you must learn, right? How you're actually going to, you must learn. So it's actually in the learning that you change your life. If you're just reading a book, if you're just listening, right? You're not actively learning. You might be listening or you might be reading, but that doesn't necessarily constitute the actual learning component. The learning component is in part 3, which is the T. So there's P for personal development, A for the aha moment, so pick 3, and then T is take action, right? T is take action. So what are you going to do to take action now that you've learned, now that you've had these aha moments, these light bulb moments? How are you going to take action? And it's in the taking action is where you change your life. This is how you use personal development to grow every single day. And if you do this every single day with the intention of growing, with the intention of taking action, where you're reading your book or you're listening to your audio book, right? Or you're watching some training on YouTube or a podcast. You can do, you can watch Facebook Lives. I love watching Ed Milet do interviews, or Tom Bilyeu, I think you say he's pronounced his surname. And he's got a show called Impact Theory. And I love the people that they interview, because these are high level performing individuals, right? That have achieved crazy things. How did they get there? Right? So write your 3 things. Find the aha moments, write them down, right? And then how are you going to implement them in your life? How are you going to take action? That's your T, the PAT system. See how easy it is? It is so simple. If you're a leader in a network marketing organization or direct sales, you can easily duplicate this PAT system down into your teams, right? Very, very simple system, right? And so all you need to do is that. Now you can take it one step further if you really want to. I'm going to give you a gold nugget, because this is what I do. You see how I got my little sticky notes here? When I do my 3 aha moments, that is Facebook Live content. You'll find quite often there's like 5 or 6 sticky notes stuck together, right? And what I do is I create content out of those. I create content. So, those 3 things, I'll combine it with another sticky note, and there's a Facebook Live, or there's a podcast, or there might be an article for a blog. You can write content out of your personal development notes. There's like $1 million worth of content and knowledge and value that you can bring to your audience out of your personal development learning. So guys, I hope you got great value. Thank you so much, Heather. That's fantastic. Drop me some fire emojis, guys, if you actually got value out of that, because it is so simple and easy to implement. You can totally share this with everybody. Hey, Haley, how are you? You can totally share that with everybody. So guys, I hope you got value out of that. I'd love to hear your thoughts and some feedback. This is brand new. I've not launched it anywhere. You guys are the first ones to hear my brand new system called the PAT system, the PAT system, to be able to grow every single day. And this is something that you can do in your life. This is something that you can do in your business. You can duplicate this down into your organization and you can share it with others. So thank you so much, guys. Oh, I love you guys. And like I said, sharing is caring. Feel free to share this broadcast because I feel like it's going to impact a lot of people. And you'll see me tomorrow for part 3. Tomorrow's a big one. Part 3 of my mindset series is part of the mindset, marketing, and momentum equals more money series for August. I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.